So here we've got a waterproof video light. So this is what I'm going to use with another future YouTube video. I did a test yesterday in a sort of enclosed space. Unfortunately it was too dark, so I needed to invest in a waterproof video light that is going to run for around about an hour or an hour and a half. So this is what we've got here. It's a Suptig. It wasn't very expensive, available on Amazon, and I can hook it up to my GoPro mounting rig along with my GoPro, meaning that it's a sort of all-in-one type of product, which is great. So that's just what we need. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. So quite well packaged. Nice little light. This is great because it comes with a battery. It's a sealed unit, so I'm going to have to try and get in here somehow. Okay, so to get into it, there's a little flap on the side here that we need to lift up, and that goes around the back. So we'll just get that one opened like that, and then in the back here we've got the battery and the recharging port. So we can just seal that up again at the moment like that, so nice and watertight. And then I presume that's the, whoa, that is bright. That is the on-off switch. So there we go. That is really bright, that's excellent. Just what we need. So that will sit on top of the GoPro inside the unit for when I video it, which is brilliant. Okay, so we've got a GoPro standard mounting, a bolt and cable. Okay, so now we can hook it up to the charger. Make sure it's all going to charge properly. That just plugs in like that. So we'll leave that to charge up fully. Okay, so I've been looking into this a bit further. What I love about this is the fact that you've got a standard removable battery for a GoPro. So it's a standard GoPro battery. I'm not sure what version of GoPro it's for, but doesn't quite look like the same as my ones, but it's a GoPro battery, so you can swap them around. And then let's just turn it off a sec. Seal it back up. The cool thing about this is you've got this brightness intensity with a single switch on. If you press it again, you get a slightly dimmer intensity, which is fantastic. So it's 300 lumen at full brightness, and then press it again and you get the flashing effect. So if you want to stick it on your mountain bike or whatever, which is really great. So this is waterproof down to a depth of 147 feet. It's wide angle, so you can see that actually the wide angle comes from the back shine plates, which is really good, and also standard USB charging, which I think is brilliant. So what I'm going to use this for is I'm going to mount it to my GoPro. I'm not going to go diving with it, but believe it or not, I'm going to stick it inside my dishwasher and take a video of of what goes on inside the dishwasher. So I'll be able to see with this light. I'm not going to put it on full brightness. I'll use it on the lower brightness setting, but at least we'll be able to see what's going on. So if you've got any questions, leave me a message under the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.